At number 5, we have Notability, which shines when audio recording sits at the center of your workflow. The playback animation, voice boost, fine-tuning, and trimming tools make you feel like no other handwriting app comes close to what you can do here. It's the kind of setup that makes interviews and fast-paced conversations feel manageable, even when you can't possibly write everything down. You simply hit record, write what you can, and trust that you can replay the exact moment later. With Notability in your workflow, you stop worrying about missing key details because you can always go back and catch what your handwriting couldn't keep up with. It also helps that Notability ranks among the oldest handwriting apps. It hasn't just survived, it has matured. One warning though, don't expect page rotation to feel nice. If you try rotating a normal note, you'll probably hate the experience. Rotation makes more sense on PDFs, but even there, it feels clunky and frustrating because it still does not rotate your annotations in 2026. Ridiculous, isn't it?